Do re mi.
Sira, caire tu agua. Sira,
Iji agua. Siro. Iji agua.
hey yo, doggy. How you dog? What's up, doggy?
Loka konu maha.
No. I'm looking for a short, hot lady by the name of Sonia.
Sonia otire modo Sonia goko.
Sonia.
Who are you? How can I help you?
I'm Sam. I'm his future.
And you who come here like somebody's toilet?
No. I'm looking for Sonia, a short, hot lady. Do you know any of his whereabouts?
Tukajaria githungu hau na niro ria Kiambu. Naigua?
Kiambu? Oh yeah, I know Kiambu. Kiambu, my grandfather, my grandma, my shosho, grandma from Kiambu.
Kiambau. Ni Kiambu leta Kiambau. Go come next year.
She's not around?
Get out of here.
Okay. No arguments with the fool. Yeah? Hold on, doggy. Just cool it. Hi, sweetie. How you? We're here with that doggy with the guitar. She's telling me that you're not around. Yeah.
Sam.
Hello. Hi. How you doing? Yeah, it's been long since I saw you, know?
What? Riu ni kiuyu nake. Ai. You've changed so much.
Yeah, you know, great. I'm grateful. For that.
Okay. Welcome.
Thank you.
Tuelewe githungu guku. I can talk all England. Acha githungu giothe ni.
Hey. Muvira tia gucokera.
Na ya gusokera ni ngenagia.
Oh, wow. Thank you. You have a nice crib, yeah? Yeah, it's a good one.
Yeah, these are my friends Susie and Shiro.
Oh, Susie and Shiro. And I'm Sam.
Nakayata kiaragia gikuyu na niguo hana gukorwo umite Murang'a. Nigua no ndangihota kwaria to nikarite murimu muno.
Ara mundu agikaraga murimo ndangiriganirwo ni ruga ya mama. Welcome.
Mutihame hango. So, can I get you some water?
Do you have wine?
Yeah, sure.
That wine will do for me.
So, feel at home.
Thank you.
Ino na kimundu guthukana.
Riu cio mamenyanire atia Ngai.
Yau Masoni ni arigithia fiu. Mundu cetakire wa kirathi giake.
Wona makuo mau Ngai. Ni akoro yo neo fashion reke ikare.
Noiga fashion we. Ndona mundu macuiri marugamiti ugu nita kuhiarahi. Ai, gwa kire kuhutia inyuthi fiu.
Cio marutanire kujihi.
Noiga tena igwe kumakiria na mathungu. Ate hari dagi githage kihura thimu gikaiga ate amuhawitha niga hu hazagira ngira ni ngita.
Ngorori ati bamenyanire ku. Ucio ni ex wake.
Maheni.
Mahausoni ni ate fiu.
This is my new place.
Oh, it's good. Yeah, it's spacious. You know, it's a good place.
You like it?
It's awesome.
Wajira urikarite murimo thiko cigana?
Twathirwe na shosho, tugethie na shosho, tugikaikaraga, then shosho agicoka Kenya. Shosho gucoka Kenya, mama agiuka, tugikaikaraga. Let's just use English. You know, Kikuyu is confusing.
So, for how long have you been there?
Oh, I've been there for long. Yeah, I've been there for the last 1.5 years.
Kwenda. Mwako mwena nuthu no kariganirwo ni Gikuyu.
No, you know, when you're out of Kenya, the climate changes, everything changes. You know, when you're here, you're in summer, then you're in winter. Yeah, so you just change, just don't know changing. You don't change by one thing.
So, what's up with the new wardrobe?
This is the new me. You know, you got to keep up with the new version, trends, looks. Yeah, you just gonna keep with the OG.
What? Niaga no nyure nginya rucio tondu ici nguo. Nie nguga aroka na thuti iria ciake na ngari shofa driven. Wa? ĩno joke nĩ njũru. Ye ndũcenjetie Ngai.
Gushenjia? What is Gushenjia?
I mean, you've changed.
No, when you change, you just don't say it. Let people see, let people talk, just keep it to yourself. Like this skeleton watch. Yeah, skeleton watch. This was $10,000. Yeah, this is a lot of cash in Kenyan money, but in America.
I know.
I like your wine. It's really good. It's
good.
Yeah, it's tasty.
Welcome.
So is it from Italy or from Spain?
Both.
Both.
Yeah, it's a mixture of. You said.
Is
Italy
it
and
in
Spain.
Italy and Spain?
Yeah.
It's a cocktail. Yeah. You know, I just do German. I just don't do any wine. Yeah, I do German. I keep it German. So, can I use your bathroom?
Yeah, sure. Upstairs, straight on your left. I'll
Thank
be
you.
outside.
Oh, just 10 minutes. I love it. That's my baby. And you've changed. You too. You're really funny. Yeah, you should get yeah. So I can try to say, I want to use your bathroom in Kikuyu. Yeah. Dereda kuhodhera kiorona bafu yaku eigoro. Do you know Tupac Shakur? Me, Tupac Shakur, 50 Cent. We like this. We do hip hop music.